Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, so as you can see, today's video is a different kind of video. Today, I am doing my first unboxing. But as you can see, it's not a box, so officially it's a first unbagging, okay? And as you can see by the title, I had to order me a new Faux Ivory Sheepskin living room rug. Now, this is a 5x8, and it cost me $149 off of Amazon. And the reason why I had to purchase another one is because I made a boo-boo. Okay? I made a big boo-boo. Guys, as you can see, this is the rug that you always see in my videos. And it is not a 5x8. It is a little shorter. It, I think, was a 5x6. Well, I couldn't find anything on Amazon that was a white faux with those, dimensions. So I went with the 5x8. So it's going to be much bigger than this one is. And this one I just had to cut because I made a big boo-boo. I broke my own rule, guys. Yes, I broke my own rule. No one is allowed to have their shoes on this rug. You have to be barefoot, have socks on, something of that sort. No house shoes, absolutely no shoes whatsoever. You are not allowed to drink or eat over here on this area of the rug. Well, I did it to myself. I thought that, okay, I'm going to be as careful as I can be because I don't want to mess up my rug. So I decided that I was having some cranberry juice, okay? And I bet you can already tell what happened. It was a freak accident. I happened to set my cup over here on this side where I always sit, okay, when I'm watching TV. And I had my cup sitting here on these coasters right here. By the way, these are my DIY coasters. And I came over to grab my cup. And the juice went everywhere, okay? It went all over the side of this rug, okay? I just couldn't do anything but just stop and stare because I knew it was through. It was through. So, my husband, he was in here at the time when it happened, and he was like, I guess he just seen the anger at myself, and he was like, you can't save it. I was like, it's done. It's through. It's done, okay? It's nothing I can do. That stain is not going to come out. So I ended up cutting the rug. I said, so I'm just going to cut that part off that got all messed up and just have this little piece of rug here. He said, you know what? No. He said, go on Amazon and order you another rug. And that's what I did. And I was like, I really did not want to do that because I'm like, this was my fault. I knew better. I knew better. Okay? So I did it to myself. So I felt so bad that he had to pay for it, to get me another one. But I'm so glad that he did. And it came today, and I am so excited. So let's get into opening this bag. And it is in a pretty Hello Kitty bag, which I think is so adorable. It is so cute. So cute. So special. Wow. Oh gosh. Oh my God. Guys, I bet this time, I bet I am not going to drink anything over here on this rug. I think this is better. Let me move these scissors. I think this is better than the one that I had. Okay, I think it's much, much better. It is so white. Oh, and so heavy. Last time when I ordered a rug off of Amazon, it came in a box, so I was very surprised that they sent this in a bag this time. It's out the bag. That cat's out the bag. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. Oh my God, it is so pretty. That is definitely ivory white. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. I wish you could feel it. It feels so soft. Oh my. It's so beautiful. So guys, I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna switch out this other rug, and I'm gonna put it down, and I'll come back and I'll let you see how it looks. Okay? Okay guys, so I got the rug down, and this is how it is looking. It is beautiful. I love it. I think I love this one better than I love the first one. This is definitely ivory white. Now I had to put it down by myself. I pretty much did a good job. I didn't want it to to come out further than the couch because it'll get dirty. People will be stepping on it. So I brought it to like the end of the leg, and I had to lift up that leg to put it under there. And on this side, when hubby gets back, he has to help me move this table so I could lay it flat down up under there. And half of it is up under the couch, which I don't mind because it'll stay cleaner that way. I didn't want it to just protrude all out where people would, when they're walking through, they could walk on it. So this is basically just for the sofa area. Okay guys, so that's going to be the end of this video. I missed you guys. The reason why I hadn't been filming, you haven't seen me for a while, is because I'm working on new content for you guys. I want to come out with some things that you know that you want to watch and that you want to see. And I've really been working hard on coming up with some good content. So you will be seeing videos come up more often. I know I said I was going to do no uploads on Thursdays. That didn't work out for me. So I'm just kind of trying to just fill around and get me a schedule going so I can give you guys a schedule of when I know I'll be able to do uploads. I have a slow laptop, guys, so you have to bear with me on coming out with the videos, okay? But you know, guys, I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all my oldies but goodies. I missed you guys. And thank all my new subscribers. I'm glad to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the family. Okay, so until next time, guys, bye-bye.